How long could it record to?
Oh, Tommy. Oh, Tommy! How I dreamed of you! I love you! Oh, I love you so much. So sexy. I wish I could meet you in real life. Oh, Tommy. Tommy, Tommy, Tommy. Oh, Tommy. Ah! Hello? Hello, how are you?
Okay, I'm just gonna pretend I didn't see that.
See, what are you guys talking about? Hello, future Sasuke. What are you guys talking about? What are you guys pointing? What are you pointing at? What? Ah! Give it back!
Keyboy.
No!
He's so pretty and muscular.
Give it back, Naruto!
That's it, man. I didn't know I had a sick obsession with a little dog.
Hello, me. Hello.
Be right back.
No! Ooh. Well, why are you spray painting my dog? Do we have any more left?
Yeah, we have yours left.
Can we open it, please? Oh, Sasuke. Future Sasuke. Future Sasuke. Don't you just love him? Isn't he just so gorgeous and sexy?
Chidori.
Oh, no! Oh,
Ah! Let's cut it and do weird things to it. Silly string of. Oh! You loser! Ah! I'm gonna kill you.
They're killing my dog. They're killing my dog.
The boogers! They burn!
Oh, my dog. My poor. I can't get it off. It's all stuck and gooey.
It's got in my pants! No! Ah!
This is all for a sick obsession. Why me?
Get it off! Get it off! Get it off!
Hello.
Oh, I want it.
I can't feel my legs!